How to replace a Relax the Back Laevo Backrest Actuator. You will need a wire cutter and zip ties to complete this procedure. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, remove the head pillow, disconnect the power cable, then tilt the chair onto its left-hand side. Next, remove the clip, pin and washer that secure the rear of the lift actuator to the chair frame, then pull the chair frame away from the chair base. Now, cut the zip tie that secures the actuator cables to the control module, then remove the strap that secures the cables to the chair frame. Locate the backrest actuator cable connector, then disconnect the connectors. Next, remove the clip and pin that secure the rear of the backrest actuator to the chair. Be sure to retain the washer. Now, push the footrest to the right to expose the front actuator mounting point. Remove the clip and pin that secure the front of the actuator to the chair. Be sure to retain the washer. You can now remove the actuator from the chair. To install the new actuator, place it into position with the motor facing downward, then align the front mounting points. Replace the pin from the bottom, place the washer on the end of the pin, then replace the clip to secure it. Next, pull the footrest to the left to align the rear actuator mounting points. Replace the pin from the top, install the washer onto the end of the pin, then replace the clip to secure it. Now, align the actuator connector pins and sockets, then connect the connectors. Replace the strap to secure the footrest and backrest actuator cables to the chair frame. Thread a new zip tie through the small hole in the control module, then secure both actuator cables to the control module. Cut the excess zip tie. Push the bottom chair frame inward to align the rear lift actuator mounting points, then replace the pin, washer, and clip to secure it. Return the chair to the upright position, connect the power cable to the power supply, replace the head pillow, and you're done.